Have you ever always seen shining corns in fountains and bird baths? Do you think all these corns are for blessing purposes? In fact, it might be more interesting than you think. With the popularization of gardening knowledge around the 1980s, the practice of putting corns into bird baths was adopted by more people. This is because pennies minted before 1982 contained 95% copper, and copper has natural antibacterial and anti-algal properties. It can inhibit the growth of algae and bacteria, such as Escherichia coli, Salmonella in bird baths, preventing the water from becoming turbid and smelly quickly. Nowadays, the main material of pennies has changed from copper to zinc, which can no longer purify the water. On the contrary, it is toxic to birds. Under such circumstances, bird bath cleaner copper discs were invented. This bird bath copper disc is crafted from 99.99% pure red copper. Leveraging copper's natural properties, it helps keep the water in your bird bath cleaner, thereby reducing the need for frequent scrubbing. For daily maintenance, simply remove debris such as bird droppings and fallen leaves. Rinse the bird bath thoroughly and refill it with fresh water. Within this bird bath cleaner copper disc lies a love for life and reverence for nature. This heartfelt commitment to caring for nature is exactly the Mellbree magic we aim to convey.